Gandhi became India's first woman Prime Minister in 1966 and held office until 1977. She returned to power in 1980 and served until her assassination in 1984. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her humanitarian work with the poor and sick. She founded the Missionaries of Charity in 1950. M.S. Subbulakshmi, a Carnatic vocalist, became the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna in 1998. She was known for her devotional music and charity concerts. Gaura Devi led the Chipko movement in 1974 to protect forests from deforestation in Uttarakhand. She and local women hugged trees to prevent them from being cut down. Kannum Malleshwari won a bronze medal in weightlifting at the Sydney Olympics in 2000. She became the first Indian woman to achieve this honor. Meera Kumar became the first woman Speaker of the Lok Sabha in 2009. She served until 2014 and was known for maintaining parliamentary decorum. Tanvi Shah won a Grammy in 2010 for her work on the song Jai Ho from Slumdog Millionaire. She was the first Indian woman to win a Grammy. Nirmala Sitharaman became the first full-time female Defence Minister of India in 2017. Indira Gandhi also held the portfolio briefly while serving as PM. Chanda Kochhar became the CEO of ICICI Bank in 2009. She was known for driving retail banking growth and innovative loan products. Sarojini Naidu led the salt satyagraha at the Dharsana Salt Works in 1930. She was one of the leading voices of the Indian independence movement. Sharma competed internationally in Formula 4 racing. She is also a commercial airline pilot. Soma Mondal became the first woman to chair Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, in 2021. She focused on modernizing the company and increasing production. Aditi Pant was part of India's first Antarctic expedition in 1983. She was an oceanographer and contributed to climate research. Ella Bhatt founded the Self-Employed Women's Association, SEWA, in 1972. SEWA aimed to improve the working conditions of poor women in India. Rukmini Devi Arundale was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in 1956 for her contributions to Bharatanatyam and Indian culture. Janaki Ramachandran served as CM for 24 days in 1988 after former CM M.G. Ramachandran's death. She was the wife of former CM M.G. Ramachandran, MGR. Dr. Muthiah Vanitha was the project director of Chandrayaan-2, ISRO's second lunar exploration mission. It was launched in July 2019. Y. Jayanthi Mala, a famous Bharatanatyam dancer and actress, was awarded the Padma Shri in 1968. She was also a member of parliament. Velu Nachiyar formed an all-woman army and fought against the British in the 1780s. She is known for her strategic warfare and bravery. Bachendri Pal climbed Mount Everest on 23rd May.
Thanks for quizzing. Like and subscribe to IG's Quizio for more.